Hi, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2020 Polaris Ranger Crew XP1000 Premium. Really nice machine. They bought it from us brand new, just shy of 1,350 miles. So, you know, 2020, it's now 6 years old, but yet didn't hardly ride it. Really nice machine, but nicely equipped as well. Glass, and this is a removable glass windshield. So that's a lock and ride windshield they used to have out, but you know, so nice windshield. You've got the dual stack LED light. You've got the 4,500 pound winch sitting there, so if you get stuck or want to throw a plow on it, you can do so. Crew means seating for 6, so lots of room for you and your passengers to go riding. Maybe you have guys you go hunting with, maybe you have grandkids, whatever the case may be. What's nice is if you don't have people, you can see this seat as well as the back seat flips up, so you can throw some more gear in here if you're going to use it for work. You've got lots of storage up front. You got box here, room up there, cup holders galore. Like I said, lots of room for you and your passengers. You see that seat easily flips up, so you can throw your stuff in there. Nice full-size bed. This was considered the backcountry edition. That's why it's got the snorkel kit and everything. So it was meant for people that may be in a swampy area or something like that. That it came with those standard 2-inch receiver as well. But like I said, just under 1,350 miles. So if you're looking for a great used side-by-side or something like this, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you'll find on our website at carnsequipment.com.